What's going on, everybody? It's Nubs, and we got a box of pennies. We just picked it up today when we picked up our $50. I think we're gonna hunt them. We're gonna see what we got. I was gonna do a live stream, but then I changed my mind. So we are gonna take a look inside. We definitely have circulation. Not seeing any weedy enders, but we're gonna be looking for some Wheaties or proofs. Maybe some varieties or airs. We're going to start on the first roll, and I will bring you guys in as soon as we find something. Alright, we just laid out roll number 3, and I see a Canadian right here. We have first find, it's a 1973 Canadian. Roll number 5, we got Canadian number 2. And it looks like we got a young head. There we go. 1964 Canadian. See a couple oldies in here. And that's a 62. Roll number 7. We get our first wheat penny right here. And it's not a pretty one. Pretty beat up. I don't even know if we can see a year on that. Get the loop. Not even sure. Ends in a 0. Starts with a 1-9. Other than that, I do not know. But it is a wheat penny. Roll number 10, and I see a Wheatie poking out right down here. You guys can't see it. It's not down far enough. Let's go a little more. There we go. Wheatie right here was a 4th coin and reverse facing. That one looks better. I like that. 1946. Roll 12, and we're going to grab another Canadian here. I don't think... Nope, it's not as old as the last one. That is a 2006. 3 Canadians already and only 2 wheat pennies. Roll 15. We have another Wheatie right here. 1956. It's the newest so far. It gives us 3. We got another old one. That is a 67. Hopefully we can stay on track and get double digits. Roll 18. And I see for sure one Wheatie right down here. This one is going to be another 1946 out of Philadelphia, which is that one right there. And I thought I saw... That's a 67. What's this one? There we go. Nope. That is a 59. Never mind. I saw the 50. Roll 20. Maybe we're getting into something finally. Obverse facing me. 1948. Pretty nice one too, actually. It's brown, but got some nice wheat stalks. Move this one. That makes 5. I'm feeling much better about this box. Roll 27. We had a little break there, but now we got another Wheatie. It's a little dirty. I'm not going to focus unless I go like that. 1953 out of Denver. Wheatie number 6. Roll number 30. We got a couple of finds in here. We'll do the Canadian first. Yeah. It's 1995. Nothing special there, but right in front of it, we got a wheat penny. That'll make number 7, I do believe. That's a 1945 out of Denver. Possibly the oldest. We still don't know what that one is. Second to last coin of roll 35. We have a 1955. Not seeing any double die on it. We'll give it a quick look with the scope. Or with the loop. Nope. No double die on that one. But that is Wheatie number 8. Roll 34. I missed it by the edge. But we got another Canadian. Got some new Canadians in this box. There's another 2006. Makes 5 Canadians already. Alright, everybody. I already sneaked a peek of it. But right there, we got a 1917 Wheatie in the box. That is awesome. Not too bad either. We are going to hit double-digit Wheaties in this box. Right here we got another one. 1955 out of Denver this time. And now we have 10. Roll 43 coming back, and we got 2 finds in this roll. One's right there, one's right down here. Show you this one first. This one looks a little discolored, like Hot Sauce Penny Challenge. 1937. Nice. Second oldest so far. That makes it 12, I think. And the other one is right here. 2 in 1 roll. Gotta like that. 54 Denver. We got Wheatie number 13 right here. Just another 56, but we're adding to the stack pretty good. We got 4 more rolls, plus this one left to hunt. Roll 47, we're going to add another one, which is a 1957 out of Denver. The end of this box is getting pretty good. Holy cow, we're in 3 back-to-back rolls now with a Wheatie. This is roll 48. And we got another 44 Denver right there. That makes 15 now, I think. Alright, everybody, this is the last roll of the box. Roll 50 right here. And we're going to hunt it live, just like I do in a lot of my videos, just to see what we can see. Oh, we got a beat up nasty one here. I don't see nothing, but we'll go through it real quick. Just wanted to do an old-fashioned penny hunt. I've been doing a lot of live streams lately, trying to get my watch time up. But I just felt like hanging out. I'm watching some live streams tonight, and figured I'd do an old-fashioned penny hunt. I think that's where we're going to end it tonight. I will bring you guys back in a second for a recap. Alright, here we go with the wrap-up. We ended up with the 5 Canadians. 3 really nice 2009s. I haven't been saving all the just regular 2009s, but I've been rolling up the nicer ones. We got a 57, 2 56s, 2 55s, a 54, a 53, a 48, 2 46s, 45, 44, 37, kind of wood grained one, which I really like those. Those are pretty cool. 37. And then the oldest of the box. This is 1917 right here. That's awesome. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Oh, we got this one too that I still couldn't figure out what it is. It is definitely a wheat penny. I still have no idea what it is. I think it's a 50. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Hopefully we'll be back soon with another penny hunt. Everybody have a great day. Nubs out.